All right, guys, I'm feeling pretty darn solid about my trades right now. Had a smoking good day. This is where I'm at right now for the day. 27, almost $2,800. I mean, I timed the market multiple times today, like on the dot. So basically, what I'm prepared for is a big move to the upside tomorrow. I'm probably, FYI, guys, I'm probably not going to stay on very long for this session just because I really got to get this May stuff done. It's getting ridiculous. But my sense is that there's a pretty big move to the upside, right? The Sun card, and the Strength card, and this is like the Strength Ruin and the Sun card, right? Tomorrow we have the Sun card. We have Swiftness. We've got Oppression. Those are related to the Strength card. Strength there on the following day. Yeah, so my sense is that we probably do finish off in this price level here. And by finish off, I mean the second part of Mercury retrograde. It ends with this dotted line on the 25th. My sense is that we probably see price levels in this range here. And we were pretty close to this. We didn't quite capture the red ellipse here, but we came pretty darn close. Look out, we came all the way down to here. Look how close we came. $1.50 away. Anyhow, what we have right now, I think, is probably some mixed behavior. We probably come back down to lows at some point here before the end of the day, if not at the close. It was luck. It's Wednesday. What do you mean happy Monday? It's Wednesday. Where you been? So, if you're just hopping on, this is where I'm at for the day. 2,700. Totally, like this count just exploded. This retrograde. And so we're basically set up for the long side for a big move to the upside tomorrow. I was playing the market today. Check this stuff out. And if you're hopping on, guys, just to let you know, I'm not staying on very long today. I've got to get this May stuff done. I need all the time I can get to finish this in time. Because I should be working on June right now. June should be coming out on the 1st. I'm still working on May. It's like crazy. All right, so check this out, guys. So I had puts, right? 9:30, I sold those Tesla calls for a huge gain, and then I bought to close the 501 call that I had sold against the 500 call, right? So I bought to close, so I went long basically. And then I sold these puts at 1254. So where's that? 1254. Oops, sorry. 1254. Like, look at that, guys. This is 1250. This is 12. This is 1255 right here. Matter of fact, let's go down to that. All right, so right about there. Sold the puts, bought more calls. At 136, I bought another put. Right about here. At 138, I bought another put. Right about here. At 152, I sold 501 calls against against the ones that I have expiring on the 17th with the intent to create a vertical spread, kind of like I created a vertical spread backwards, so I'm basically getting paid for a vertical spread. In other words, I put on these two 501s, which I could only do because I already own two long 500 calls, right? And then the market dropped. That was at 1250, 1252. Or 152, excuse me. All right, so like right there. And then I bought calls to cover those short calls, 500 calls at 309. Right here. So what I did is I took in 599 bucks, and then I sold against it 545 bucks, right? And as a result, I took in a credit. But when this expires in the money, I'll take in $200 as well. So I'm getting paid to make money, basically. I love those credit vertical spreads. They're supposed to be debit spreads, but when you put them on in two legs and you're timing the market, they become credit spreads. So I think we probably, like I said, we're gonna go back down to lows here. Hold on a sec. Right, so now what I'm looking to do is buy against those again. See, the Queen of Cups, the Abundance card and the Queen of Cups with lows here really indicates that mixed behavior, right? We go from abundance, right? One low and abundance. But the Queen of Cups is a decline, an incline, and a decline. And then we have another low significator. So my sense is we could probably come back to lows here. Or close. And at that time, I'll buy two more calls. And I'll have another vertical call spread. It's basically exactly what I just explained. I'm doing it again. Right, I've got these 500 calls that expire on the 17th. But I don't want them to get capped off. So what I'm going to do is buy calls against the two that I sold here for tomorrow, creating a vertical spread. Hopefully that goes according to plan. Meta earnings today. Didn't I do that? I feel like I did that on Discord. Let me see. Yeah, looking at Meta, I'd probably be in a partial long position at this time. If it goes lower today, I'd buy more and sell tomorrow. This is based on a non-marked up April reading. That was at 11 a.m. today. That's where we're at with Meta. I mean, I closed out of those Tesla calls like in the morning because we had already hit that price level. That's why I got on and showed people. Right? See, what is on my mouth? My I bought the calls here, and my expectation that we would be at this price level on the 25th, but we did it all in one day. what was there wasn't any reason for me to hold it longer. I mean, it might go higher. It probably will go higher. But my expectation for the trade was to get out about that price level. I took a $2,000 gain like that. So who cares if it goes higher? I would say if you got the gain, you might take it, but it's it's um it's probably going to go higher. It's just you always want to take your profits while you have them. You can always reposition yourself, but if you have profits, cash in and then reposition yourself. But you could probably close out of it tomorrow. Yeah, you could probably close out of it tomorrow somewhere around the same price level, right? We're going to be kind of like capped off at the upper end of this range, so you could probably close out of it there. That's probably where I would do it if I hadn't closed out of it already. XOM. It's pretty mixed for XOM this week. Oh, I would hop into Oxy though. Oxy looks like really good timing to hop in. Let's take a look at that real quick. Yeah, this is going higher. It's going to be mixed, but it's going to rally higher here. All right, well, it was like I got to answer some other people's questions too, so I'll come back to you. AAV, Nvidia, and Tesla. Just went over Tesla. What the hell? I keep like finding something on my... I'm sorry, guys. It's so gross. I wonder if it's from my coffee. I hope it's not from my coffee. Ugh. Pretty far off. I mean, 791, 20 bucks. I guess it's relative, but I feel like that's too far away for me to feel good about it. Um, all right, guys, and I'm gonna cap the questions here. FYI, like I said, I'm not gonna stay on long today. I got a lot of work. I gotta finish catching up on. I'm tired of being behind. I would probably get into a long position here. It's possible that we have more decline tomorrow. But remember, this isn't a marked up reading, so there's a lot of missing information. But I think we probably have a pretty big move out of this low. So we either go lower and then move pretty notably to the upside over the next few days, or we just move to the upside. So you might open up like a partial long in case we go lower. If we do, add to it. If we don't, at least you got in somewhat. Hey, just Chevy. I'm pretty sure somebody's asked me that one before and it was a yes, but let me see. Guys, like you're still posting questions. I said I'm capping it off here, so you know, if you heard me say that and you're still posting questions, I find that a little annoying, guys. Just so you know. Um, will it be approved this year? ETH. I got a yes, but let me do that one more time. It was a weird yes. Yeah, it's a no. So that's interesting. Bitcoin must have been the yes. I'm getting an unclear response for that one. Sorry. Hey, Robert. H bar token look this month. Okay. Nah, I guess I don't. H bar token. It looks kind of decliney, Robert. Thanks, Janishred Dadia. Appreciate the credit when credit's due. Spot on again on your call of the BTC, XRP, etc. declining today. Is the May reading of XRP out yet? The May reading of XRP is not out yet, but it comes out very shortly. Oh, awesome. It was like, appreciate it. Definitely needed at this time. I also really hate those price level questions, guys. Like, I decided just not to answer questions like that anymore because it's a red flag that you're trading the information incorrectly. You can't trade this information like you trade technical analysis based on price levels. If you do that, you're going to regret it. Just look for the moves, look for the highs and the lows, and make the the appropriate decisions based on that. When am I forgetting anybody? Google is not, and now a good time to get in Google. Earnings are tomorrow. Two of Cups for life. I don't see a question from you above, so I'm not sure what you're referring to. There's no. This is the first text that I've seen from you in this live, so maybe I don't know. There's some sort of confusion. All right, I'm gonna buy those other two calls. It might not go down, but either way, I want to be in those calls, so that I don't get my other ones capped off. Probably not. So we probably go a little higher tomorrow, or we open lower, move back to the high that we're at, and then fall from there. And then we probably revisit the high again on the 26th or the beginning of the day on the 29th. But not the best place to get into a long position. I wouldn't. There's definitely going to be better places to do that. Yeah, Two of Cups, your last message disappeared too. I don't know, that's very weird. I'm not erasing your messages if you're curious about that. I'm not sure what's going on, but good day to you as well. Right now, that's the only message I see from you. Good day to you. When do I suggest closing that long position? Let me make sure I purchased those. Okay, nice. Look at that. So I basically got paid like 25 cents or 25 bucks per contract I got paid to put it on, and if they expire in the money, which they're in the money right now, if they expire in the money tomorrow, they'll credit me $400. So I got paid to put on the potential. In other words, if it doesn't work out in my favor, I still got paid. Like I won't be losing money on that trade. Period. It's impossible at this point. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm leaving a put here? Whoa, I didn't notice that. I'm so glad that I looked here. All right, so now I'm basically full on long. Not bad for a day's work, guys. 2,700 bucks today. Yesterday the account was worth $4,000. XRP, when do I suggest closing that? And then I'm rolling, guys. Where is my XRP? There we go. So on the 26th is probably a good day because it's going to get a little mixed on the 27th. But if you miss the opportunity on the 26th, there's probably another good one in the morning on the 29th or on the cusp of the 28th, 29th. The 26th, look for an important price level on at least like a 1 month chart scale. Look for an important price level on at least a 1 month chart scale. We'll break through it momentarily, and that'll come after a big move to reach it. That's where I would look to exit after we break through and come back down through that price level. That would be my signal. And Finn, it's it I as of 11 a.m. this morning on the Angel Investor Discord, I wrote, looking at Meta, I'd probably want to be in a partial long position at this time. If it goes lower today, I'd buy more, sell tomorrow. This is based on a non-marked up April reading. Okay, guys, no more questions, please. I'm rolling after this. Yeah, so it went down significantly today. I would say if you haven't bought long or you bought a little long position here, I would add to it. If you didn't add to it down here, I would add to it. Tomorrow should be a pretty big move to the upside. All right, my friends. Just to recap. Oh, and again, the 50% off custom monthlies. Normally they're $1,000. They're going for, with this coupon code right here that you only get on our live. They're going for 50% discount. You get those. You can order those monthly, those custom monthlies. Where is my? You can order them here under our services, SO Meta Posts. Custom monthly readings down here in the corner. Specify the month, specify the year, symbol or crypto or ticker symbol, and obviously you want to put in that coupon code and you get a $500 discount on that. Great way to help support the channel. We're looking to raise some funds before we go after the Wall Street Journal again for our second attempt, and this will probably be our last attempt because it's going to work this time. But we need to make sure we got proper funds for all that. So great way to support. And as always, I'm sure people are making money today in the last few days. Please make sure to follow that rule of karma. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute 5% of those profits into goodwill. You do that here under the resources tab. 5% of profits should be donated forward to one of these charities or a charity of your choosing. 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel. It's a great way to say thank you, and also really does help support the channel. If you guys notice, I'm not trading with a huge amount of money, right? We're growing it now, but can always use the support, and it's the right thing to do. So make sure to follow through. Angel investors, people that follow through on that rule of karma regularly, they get an invite to our private Discord server, where is basically where I've been reading off of what I wrote this morning for people. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching. Blessings to all my angel investors. I will see you guys tomorrow.